Can you provide 1,000 meals for your workers every day? Based on 45 years of experience and counting. A promise to give you excellent services. A part of the Garuda Indonesia Group, food service is one of Aerowisata's lines of business, providing food and service solutions to meet customers' needs. Aerofood ACS is committed to the excellent handling of its catering services. Aerofood ACS keeps a high standard of excellence through all its services. Our quality meals are prepared daily from fresh and carefully selected ingredients. The expert chefs in our professional kitchens maintain standards of high-quality food processing, which meet not only strict international safety and hygiene codes, but also halal requirements, making sure you get nutritious and wholesome food with excellent taste. Our in-flight service consists of in-flight catering and in-flight service total solutions. Our in-flight catering provides more than 70,000 on-board meals a day and for 25 million passengers a year. Besides, the in-flight service total solutions allows the company to provide high-quality management services of in-flight logistics such as equipment handling, cabin services and supplies, dry goods, beverages and reading material distribution. Aerofood ACS provides more than 1.5 million on-board meals for 40 commercial airlines a month. To support the service, we have 9 in-flight facilities throughout Indonesia and 16 worldwide in-flight catering partners. Aerofood ACS catered to more than 5 million staff meals for more than 60 customers from industries such as oil, mining and gas, town catering, hospital industry. We have a broad spectrum of integrated services, from running on-site canteens and housekeeping to maintenance for both mining camps and offshore dormitories. For a wide range of customers, we also provide catering for private and wedding lounge as well as restaurants. Our passion for keeping the highest standard of service has led us to serve a wide selection of healthy and tasteful local and international cuisine for many people. Now, the same high-quality meals are ready for you. Beyond meals, Aerofood ACS provides maintenance and cleaning services for factories, hospitals, office buildings, schools, and oil mining and gas companies. Furthermore, we also provide laundry services for in-flight service hotels and home requirements. Supported by quality machinery, control and finishing, we guarantee the best result a commercial laundry can offer. So can you provide 1,000 meals for your workers every day? With Aerowisata Foodservice, sure you can.